Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to apply coins on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device and then find whatever product that you want to order. Open the details of that product and you want to press red button at the bottom, buy now. Tap continue, and this is our checkout page, also order confirmation page. And here scroll to the section summary, and here should be a section saved, called saved. And if you see that section, you will see how many coins are available in your balance and whether you can apply them to this order. But not all products or sellers accept coins. As you can see in my case, I don't have that save section. So that simply means that this item isn't eligible for coin redemption. It basically depends on whether the seller has enabled discounts with coins. So do not worry if the coin section, if you don't have that coin section, just try again with different product or seller. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.